Hi guys, this is David Foss with MarineMax in Wakefield, Rhode Island. So I'm standing on top of a Sea Ray 210 SPX outboard boat. This is an in-stock boat here and available. The Sea Ray 21 SPX is a great choice for just family entertainment, cruising, water sports. Not really so much for fishing, so if that's not your speed, then this boat has plenty of speed for water sports and friends and family. Powered with a Mercury 200 V8 horsepower engine. Sorry, that's a V6. It's got the white cowling, so very aesthetically pleasing. You notice on the platform, you have sea deck that comes all through the stepping coming into the boat here. This boat is equipped with the sport tower. So this water sport tower not only looks cool, it's great for towing wakeboards and water skis. You get a higher tow point, but also there's a ski tow bar on the back of the boat as well. Notice this big Sunpad cushion. You can have people laying out. This is part of the redesign. So the new Sea Ray 210 SPX is a refresh model this year. So they did some new aesthetic designs that make the boat a little more comfortable, a little more easier to walk through. Sea Ray's really good about that. The social aspects of the boat and keeping the models fresh. So this is the brand new model. As you come into the boat, you can see aesthetically it's gorgeous. It's very well laid out. It's social. So you can just picture you and your friends and family all together here for an awesome day in the water. Another thing we really like to point out about the Sea Ray 21s is all the storage that's on this boat. So on a smaller boat, you know, storage is a big thing. You don't want to be tripping over your bags or your water skis or your coolers. So just looking down through the deck here, you've got one locker, two lockers here. There's storage underneath each one of these seats. You have a really big ski locker here. So you can just see underneath all these seats in the deck, there's storage everywhere. Because we have the outboard configuration on this boat, you have a massive storage compartment in here as well, and also easy access to the bilge and batteries. This is on gas assist struts, so it doesn't slam down onto your toes. And then coming in through here, you have electronics like your Simrad and Fusion Stereo. The Simrad, there's no gauges on this boat. It's all digital now. So you have your chart, sonar for depth, plus all your engine gauges and fuel. Everything is all in this convenient little computer screen, which is all touchscreen. Not only does it look cool, it's very functional. Lots of seating here. You've got a flipping backrest on the companion side of the boat, so one person could be laying out or sitting and facing their guest. You just pick this seat up, flip it forward, and it becomes a forward-facing seat on this side of the boat as well. More storage in this console. So big storage compartment on the steering console, plus a lockable glove box. So if you want to leave your registration or some items on board, you can lock them up there. And then you've got this nice big bow seating area, which is has the filler cushions in it now. This is one of the new features. So this backrest that slides into here, it's pretty cool. So you have this whole area up here where everybody can be hanging out and just relaxing. Plus you've got backrest. The kids are really safe and comfortable up here. So again, my name is David Foss. I'm with MarineMax in Wakefield, Rhode Island. This is an in-stock Sea Ray. This is the 21 SPX boat with an outboard. We'd love for you to come down, take a look online, MarineMax Wakefield, Rhode Island. Give us a call. We'd love to see you. Thanks.